you won't get anywhere good. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Most people who come to me for advice just want a shortcut, the quick way. But when I see over 99% of them on social media, they look the same. Passive people who just sit around and they constantly, hurl wild insults at others, especially women and girls who go to Dubai or anywhere else in the world to have the life they want. I don't understand why Dubai. And over 99% of Iranians in Iran have stagnant, passive, and lazy life. 99% of Iranian in Iran, they have no purpose. There is no movement. They just sit there and insulting and cursing others. They just get angry. I don't know why, and many of them believe that other people jealous of them. Or what? I don't know. Most of them do drugs and are on the clouds. And the other people, they are drunk without drugs, and their nonsense fantasies in which you cannot smell any truth. These people, they don't expect to get better at all. They don't want to change. They don't want to try. They don't want to move at all. And they think they are the best. They do nothing, even though they know they are not the best and are exploding from the inside. Listen, dear unique. You will not get anywhere by being lazy. Remember that. You won't. You know that. You won't get anywhere good. Yes, and that's so important. You should know. So focus on yourself, on your path, on your body, on your life. Okay? You cannot take someone else's place, and also no one can take your place too. Okay? Live, move, keep going and keep moving and never give up. Okay? I love you. Bye.